Hey everybody, this video is going to be an overview of the dashboard Trackstar. And I'll just give you a little historical perspective. This was the original Trackstar. This goes back to about 2015. You can see it's just made of plywood with some laminate that I put on here. Originally the idea was just that it was something I could mount on the side of my bench to give me a little extra width, to hold up things I was cutting off. And a buddy of mine requested something to help him scribe his fridge panels with his early dashboard. So you can see there's been quite a bit of development in the years since. But how do we define the Trackstar? That's a problem because it creates its own category and it's a lot of things. So let's explore a few concrete actions you can accomplish with it, and you can figure out the rest. Now, the Trackstar just mounts on your bench. Whether that's a dashboard or most any other bench. Goes here, goes there, goes back here, goes pretty much anywhere you need it. Trackstar makes your bench wider. That's about 5 3/4 inches or 146 millimeters. Trackstar is height adjustable. Trackstar has 20 millimeter holes and slots. Good for bench dogs and spiral dogs. Trackstar is a handy reference point when you're using our universal setup blocks to align your guide rail for long rips off the edge of the bench. Use our parallel guides on your Trackstar. Trackstars align your guide rail for long cuts off the edge of the bench. Just take the spiral dogs, fit them in the slots, and everything drops into place. Run your saw like so. Other Trackstars support your offcuts, and when you're finished, simply lift it up, push it forward, and walk away. Use Trackstars for crosscuts. Mount our Gen 2 fences on Trackstars. Trackstars are great for supporting unusual sized pieces in any application where you might want special access to an edge, such as when refining a scribe or doing some kind of joining, such as dominoes, where we would be needing clear access to a piece that might otherwise be inhibiting if we were to attach it to a bench top. The Wingman attaches to Trackstars when you need that extra length of crosscut or rip. Anyway, like I said before, we can't really tell you what the Trackstar is, but I think you'll figure it out.